What's going on, YouTube? Your boy has done it. Secured 1,000 subscribers. Man, I appreciate you boys. Very thankful. This is just the beginning, but just wanted to give like a formal thank you slash show my gratitude because 1,000 people is a good amount of people. Even though today in social media you see fucking millions of likes, millions of numbers, and it's like to us it's like nothing nowadays, but in reality, dude, 1,000 people, a million people, a lot of people. Picture 1,000 people sitting in a room, you're talking to them, you're gonna be shitting your pants. So yeah, it's real nice, real sweet, real cool that I've hit that many subscribers, but that's not really gonna change anything, honestly. I'm just still gonna continue documenting my trading and what I'm doing on the charts, how much money I'm about to be making. But yeah, today I'm gonna be going over my trade, and yes, I'm not on a forex bear, as you guys see. I'm on ES. Your boy has switched to the dark side. He's been pulled by the gods to the other side of the trading space. I'm going to be trading lower time frames on the future side now, and there's a couple reasons why. One being more frequent trades, law of large numbers. The more trades you're taking, following your system, like, you know what I mean. You can't be. This doesn't go into like forcing trades, but like if you keep the same win rate and the same risk to reward, but you just take more trades, the chances are month to month, week to week, you'll be more consistently profitable. If you're a swing trader only taking two to four trades a month, you can go on a 2 3 month drawdown. And for me and the lifestyle I want to live, I don't want to be doing that. You got to think logically about this shit. But let's go over today's trade real quick. So we look on ES. First of all, just my first glance, I see a form of liquidity here. This trendline liquidity, but that's not important right now. If you're on the 4 hour, we see a huge leg get made. This low makes this high comes and makes this low, which breaks structure here and here, fills this imbalance, right? So what makes sense to me coming into the market today? What made sense to me? First, let's go to 30 minute, 9:30, mark it out. Actually, we don't even need to do that. So usually what I first do, I come in at 4 hour and I come onto the hourly and I look for my draws on liquidity. So what is a draw? A draw is a high or a low. Boom, boom, boom. Those are the nearest draws right here. So where does it look like price is going? Probably up here, right? We started the market around right here, this level. But what do we see? Another draw, right? Hourly fair value gap, bearish. So right now we're in an area where we can definitely see price go down. But what do we see here? On the 15 minute, we can refine this imbalance to the right here. And look at what we have. Let's just move this up. Look at what we have right below this big imbalance. We have this sexy red line that I printed out as my draw for the day. Now, we didn't hit it today, and this is probably why my trade lost. But we see that price is in a bullish market maker model. Like, we are bullish. On the 15 minute, on the hourly, we're trending upwards. 5 minute, more clear. Like, we are moving up. So we see markets moving up. Ask yourself, why is market moving up? Where is it going for? What's the draw? And I think market is going for this imbalance and to take out this high. So I think price is going to come out, take this high, pierce this imbalance, and then sell off to continue that 4 hour big range. It doesn't have to, though. It could totally disrespect this imbalance and just come and take out this high up here. But that's one scenario. The other scenario would be boom, boom. Now, I took my trade around here. So I'm looking in the markets around this time. It's around 11 o'clock. What do I see? I draw another fib. Here, let's move this one out of the way for you guys. This is just how I frame the trade in my mind. So I know price is going for this imbalance up here and these highs. 15-minute highs right here. What do I see? I see a sexy little imbalance. A little 15-minute imbalance we could use as confluence, as an area where price can retrace to and then continue up to the upside to take out this draw. So what happens? We tap into this area, right? And what happens? We tap in, and this is my mistake. I'll show you guys. We tap in, and then we see a huge displacement out of this area. So what do? I set my limit, stop loss here, and I take profits at this high. Right? Now, first mistake. We are bearish on every lower time frame here. Bearish on the 5-minute, bullish on the 15-minute. But this was my mistake. I didn't wait for any entry or confirmation on the 1-minute. I guess a one candle closure out of the target or PD array you're playing within, like one candle closure could be entry, and it has worked before, and it showed like legitimacy. Like we did get a reaction, but I ideally want to see either an inverse like right here, or a break of structure. But as we can see, we'll play price forward. What the fuck happened here, dog? Man, dude. Man, oh man. I'll show you guys what happened here. Yep. So we come in, we move up, take this trade right here. We get into a little bit of profit, and then we sell off. So, first trade, lost. Targeting these highs of the range, good target. But, if we come back on the 15-minute, this is the trade I missed that would have worked out. Yes, price disrespected this bullish for value gap, but if we look here, we can see a little order block based off of this last green candle. And what do we see here? We see a lot of goodness here, boys. What do we see here? Number one, we get that important break of structure, right? We break structure on the 1-minute. We have an imbalance. We inverse it. We make another imbalance on the bearish side. Then what do? We invert that bearish for value gap. So this would be my entry, stop loss here off that inversion. Let's get that right. Then I could take this. I can mark this as my TP1. So this would be TP1 right here. Something like this could be TP2, TP3, right? So then if we drag this around, 4, 5, all the way up here, 6.45 R. That's how much money this could have printed. But like I said, not only was I not on the charts because this was during class, this was also during lunch hour. So doesn't follow my rules. I'm not gonna take this kind of trade. But just a good what's it called? Good example of what a decent trade would be. This would probably be the best situation, just setting a hard even stop right here at 2R. This looks very possible. But yeah, you see, I'm pairing the low time frame with with the 15-minute and the hourly. So like the 15-minute, I'm finding a target, and then we just see what price is doing and how I can reach there. Because I don't want to be buying up here. I want to be buying out of a 15-minute discount. That's the key, right? Because that's where you're going to get the most bang for your buck in terms of risk to reward. So, yeah, going forward, this is the style I'm going to be trading with. I already lost like $20, traded one micro, so not a big deal. We can go here and see. Where can we go and see? I'm not really too used to this. Show you guys my execution or whatever. I don't know how to show you guys. How do you show the executions? I don't know, dude. Yeah, it was right here. Where can I go? Here you go. If you want to see it. Yep, right here, proof. But yeah, that'll do it for today's little recap. Not a bad loss. Good lesson, good experience. And I want you guys to be looking forward to some new daily recaps of all these trades, because these videos help me go over the market that day, and it helps me learn on what to do better in the future. Helps me, it's kind of just a good way to journal in my mind. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks again for helping me hit 1,000 subscribers. Like, comment, subscribe. You know, we in this together, boys. Follow me along, help motivate you. Let's go. We push each other. Peace out.